All the toys Santa Claus delivered over the holidays don't get built on their own. Even after they are made, our special toy shop makes them even better for our special needs students. This is CLIU21's Toy Adaptation Day 2025.
A lot of the students are very nice, and it's awesome to see them get excited over the toys working.
We have students from LCTI, other IU21 students, and IU21 staff members making toys more accessible. Some kids struggle to play with toys out of the box, so we wire in an adaptive switch which makes turning on electronic toys much easier. 55 students received dancing cows, leaf blowers, and polar bears, among other toys.
Oh, it's just wonderful. I love seeing it. Everybody's happy, nobody's angry at this day, and I've heard people say that it's a favorite day of the year.
The Toy Adaptation Workshop is a 5-step process. Solder the adaptive switches together, install those switches into the toys, test them out to make sure they work, sew the toys back together, and repackage the toys back in their box. Our LCTI students like Trace and Gabriella are on the long line of the Switch installment team. They say it makes them feel proud to be a part of something to make other children feel happy.
It's a really good feeling of just, you know what's going on inside, and you know it's gonna work.
It makes me feel really good about myself, honestly. I like helping them, and it just makes me happy, seeing them happy.